guys, we got a 2011 Jaguar XJL supercharged. This is a beast, guys. Seriously, it is fast, luxury, but still keep up with most of them for a 2011, especially being supercharged. Anyways, got factory converter there and there. We added, there was a resonator there, we took it off, added an X pipe. There was another resonator there, two of them, we took them off and added straight pipe in their place. Then kept going, and then we did a rear muffler delete there and there, as you guys can see, to complete the look. Kept the factory tips, they still look good. They're odd shaped, so it's hard to put the tips in their place. So we kept the factories. XJL supercharged. And there's the mid resonator that was on it, the tiny one. There's the back one, another resonator, a little bit bigger. It just goes small, medium, and then the large mufflers right there. So we took all that off and replaced it with straight pipe so you guys can hear it. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and make sure you subscribe. Hell yeah, bro. Wow. That's crazy. That's sick. Remember, guys, this is a Jaguar. It sounds so good. Go ahead and back it out. Straight stock. Wow. Straight stock. This sounds so good. I love it. That sounds so good. Wow. There's the look. I like it. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Jaguar XJL supercharged, pushing 510 horsepower, guys. That is freaking insane. Factory. If he puts the smaller pulleys and stuff, it'll start pushing about 650. So just let you guys know. Don't overlook these Jags. Jaguar. Beautiful. Be smooth out of a Jag. Enjoy, guys. 2008 Audi S4. S4, right? S4 V8. Really nice car. V8 beast. It's got stock converters there. And then there's two more on the manifold you guys can't see. Then it had two resonators on it. We cut them off right there. I'll show them to you in the back. Then it continues 2-inch pipe. And then we added 2 1/4 pipe and deleted the rear mufflers there and there. And then we put quad tips on it there and there. They'll look like the emblem. See that, guys? They'll look really pretty, really beautiful. There's the 2 resonators we cut off. And there's the 2 mufflers we cut off. And replace them with straight pipe. He wants it as loud as possible. So that's what we did. And like always, guys, please subscribe, like, and comment. It just keeps us going. S4 V8 Audi. Hope you guys like it. Oh, yeah. Oh, wow. Wow. That's what do you guys think? That sounds so good. Let you guys hear on the inside. You'll have to bring it to we needed more time than that. We need at least a couple hours with it, so you need to bring it in the morning, drop it off. No problem. It's a manual too, guys. So it makes it even better. This sounds so good, guys. (2010) CLS 600 V12 right there. There's the badge. Twin turbo. Still got the stock converters there and there. Then it's true dual into an X pipe before. Then somebody else eliminated the resonators, and we just eliminated the mufflers right there and right there, and put some 3-inch dual tips on each side.
Tell them not to do that.
Right there. There's the mufflers. There's the old mufflers that came off of it. Massive. We'll let you guys hear it in a minute. Hope you guys like it. That's how you guys true dual lease straight pipe. Woo! That just screams power. That just screams power, man. CL 600. I bet you this is the only BMW that you guys will see in this color combination. Look at that sexy beast. 650i 2012 BMW. Got factory converters there and up there somewhere right beside the motor. Then comes with a factory 3-inch pipe into a factory H pipe there. Then we did a mid resonator delete there. Then we ran factory pipe again and deleted the rear mufflers there and there. There's the 2 mufflers. There's the resonator. Deleted all that, like, and put some quad tips out the back just to complete the look. Came out beautiful. Black chrome quad tips. Just sexy all the way around. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe. Louis Vuitton special. You hear that beast coming up? Give a guess. That's sick. There you go. Sound decibels. 150. That's perfect. Man, that sounds mean. Yeah. that pop. Go on and back it up. That's perfect. Look at that sexy car, man. And it's a convertible. Again. There it is from the front. Let you guys hear on the inside.
Quiet on the set. Action.
2005 CL55 AMG supercharged V8. He calls her the silver bullet. It's only got 50,000 miles on it, guys. This car is clean. Look at it. Beautiful car. So what we got done on it, factory converter, secondary converters there. He's gonna bring it back. We're gonna take the secondaries off and put high flows. And we're gonna take the H pipe off and we're gonna put an X pipe to clean up the sound for him. But for right now, we're just gonna do this. So we did a res delete there and there, or resonator. Then we did a muffler delete on the back. And we had to do custom Y pipes on it, as you guys can see there and right there. And then to keep his AMG tips, because you gotta keep the signature AMG tips on it, as you guys can see there. There they are. That's how you straight pipe these. Wow, really clean, came out really nice. Boom. And like always, guys, please like, comment, subscribe. There's the two mufflers that were on it, and that's how they come out. That's why we had to do the wide pipe on each side to clean them up. And there's the two resonators that were in the middle. Okay? That's what it looks like after. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. CL55. Woo-hoo-hoo. Look at his face. Give it gas. Just wait till Again. Wow. Wow. Here's sound decibels. Again. There we go. 107. Yeah, it's even louder than that. Here's the idle on it, guys. Wow. It sounds, yeah, it sounds so much better. It's deep. It's not like raspy or nothing. It's deep. It's perfect. You know why? He took the cats off the other guy. I like it like that. This is more classic. It is. Again? Yeah. Perfect. Run it back it up. Very nice. Yeah, that's nice. Got nice wheels on it too. Look at that. Some 20s. Cool. Let you guys hear on the inside. straight pod. Really nice car. Love the AMG tips, but everything else straight pod. Ooh, you can hear that sucker. Oh yeah, beast mode. Enjoy, guys. That was awesome.